Before we get on to the nutrition session, there are a few announcements, but let me first introduce a few very important people. I think, as I said, that this movement is for the participants of the participants. So we are every Sunday. We are also going to invite a few participants who want to come and share live. With whatever the experiences are regarding the movement, regarding the No Sugar Week challenge that they have taken. And very happy that today we have two participants who are coming live with us. I would request now Pooja Jagnani ji from Ahmedabad, if she has joined. Yeah, to please share your experience, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, you are audible, ma'am.
I'm audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Okay. Thank you, Haridya. Thank you very much to give me this chance, to share my perspective on the movement 73. Now, first of all, Harit Dhariwal, you should stand up, pat your back, take a bow, because you created a wave of magic across towns, cities, states, and I think international boundaries you've kicked out. So countries also.
बंद कर दे, ये बंद कर दे. चालू है वहाँ पे. बंद है ना पक्का?
Should I carry on? Should I carry on?
Yes, ma'am, you can carry on.
Okay, I'm sorry. I just got a little lost and confused. So yes, we were talking about my story of the impact of Movement 73. The innovative brainchild of Movement 73 of the whole team of WIRC Ahmedabad. I think it has been motivational and inspirational for the both of us. My husband, CA Ajay Jagnani, and myself, of course. We both are actively involved in everyday activity of the unit. Whatever you put up, we make sure that we take out time for it, and it's really having some very, very positive effects on our life. We wake up to WhatsApp stories, very inspiring WhatsApp stories of the efforts put in by all the challengees, all the members of the groups, the various walking, running groups. And then if that's not enough, you have different teams. So you have facilitators who motivate us further to various kind of exercises which are very interesting, and you've made a very varied exercise routine, so which keeps up the challenge and the interest. Then of course one has to mention your the other things that you keep throwing in, the surprises. You have the No Sugar Week challenge, you have the maximum push-ups in a minute challenge. They are very challenges, huge challenges, but we are trying. In fact, I would like to make a special mention of the No Sugar Week challenge. I think it is one of the most effective and important challenges which has been thrown in onto us. And trust me, within a week, we have seen amazing results. We are live testimonies of higher energy levels, of enhanced moods, and better focus, and lesser brain fogging, given the COVID times. So this is about the challenges. Then I have to mention the various groups which you have tailor-made for all the different activities. Now, I can understand that one thinks of the walking, the cycling, the running groups, but to have brought about a devoted group for nutrition, where you're taking care of the holistic healing and satiation of every challengee. It's a roadblock. Lack of nutrition is a roadblock towards fitness goals. So I think you've taken care of that roadblock very beautifully, where the mentoring is being done by acclaimed nutrition experts. So that's a wonderful thing. And it's actually, there are so many age-old nutrition myths which have already been busted in this last 1 week. There have been some amazing openings, some amazing awareness details which has been given to us by the nutrition expert, Ms. Archana. She's doing a wonderful job. I think accolades for that. And of course, one can never forget the timing of the inception of this program. I think in these challenging times of COVID, the way the program has been launched and the way you make sure that every individual participant is being pushed and is pushing his or her levels ahead is wonderful. I think I've taken a lot of the time. I would like to finish here by a small saying, which I think every chartered accountant and their family will follow and understand here. We've always heard, higher the hard work you debit, higher will be the income you credit. So, and if we can apply this basic accountancy principle to our health, we will achieve what Movement 73 has set out to achieve. Kudos and thank you very much once again to have thought of not just chartered accountants, but their families and extended friends. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your motivating words. I think you are also participating very actively. I think we have been following your activities, and even in the nutrition group, I think a special mention to the nutrition CA Archana Shahji, who is basically taking care of this. Those members who are yet to join, please message us. We will put you to the nutrition group also. Regarding the push-up challenge, I think we have postponed it for a week. I think there are a lot of inquiries. People want to learn it first. Hence, we are giving them one more time. So those who are still yet to record your activity, you have time till next Sunday. And the no sugar week challenge, I think again that challenge we are continuing even for this week. That those who are finding it good after having following no sugar week can continue the challenge even for this week. But this week we also have a special challenge which we are going to disclose shortly. But before that, let me also invite Akansha Agarwal, who has joined from Bhilai, to please address all of us.
Good morning to all the panelists and attendees. I'm Akanksha Agrawal from Chhattisgarh, Bhilai. First of all, I would like to thank Vikasa Ahmedabad for giving me this opportunity to share my experience. I'm glad to be part of this wonderful session. Movement 73 is an excellent program to be enjoyed being in home during these pandemic times. The changes which I felt after 2 weeks of attending the session are, as I'm a night owl, I used to study in the nights only. But after joining this movement, I started studying in the night, in the morning, which is helping me a lot, which I think is effective and efficiently helping me. I used to retain the studies which I used to do all day long, and it's also helping me to manage the stress and anxiety which a CA student usually have while studying all day long. Also, I started reducing the sugar intake, which makes me feel more energetic and focused. As there is lockdown in Chhattisgarh, it's the best session we are enjoying with getting fit, being in home. I'm very much positive after joining the session. Kudos to Vikasa Ahmedabad for organizing this amazing program. Thank you.
Thank you, Akansha. So good to know that you are also very actively participating, and thanks for your honest feedback. Now, friends, it's time to first unveil the weekly challenge. So this week, I think the challenge that we all are going to declare in front of you is no detox day. Basically, one detox day in a week. So basically, next week, starting from tomorrow till next Sunday, you can choose any one day as a detox day. And what to do, what not to do today, our nutritionist Shaili Chauhan will guide us through it. But let us have one day for our body, one detox day in the next 1 week. And those who are following the no sugar week, I think let us continue doing that also. So with this, I think let me first invite two very special chartered accountants. I think they both are chartered accountants, but at the same time, they are fitness enthusiasts. They have achieved so much in fitness also. So I would request Bishan Bhai to first introduce CA Purvi Shah.
Yes, Harit Bhai, thank you. As you have said, no detox day. So can we have detoxification of our social media and usage of mobile? So are you going to include that also?
That will also be a part next week.
Oh, great. So now Purvi Shah, triathlete by passion, mother of 2, CA and MBA by profession. working as an executive director at automated test and measurement company, actively pursuing triathlon goals and participating in the triathlon races, open sea swimming, marathons, balancing household, family, and profession, have won podium in Olympic and half Ironman distances. So great to introduce her, and now we welcome her with big round of applause.
Even you can switch on your videos. So all the panelists, please. Yeah, we can now see you.
Yeah, hi. Thank you, Chairman and Bishan Bhai, for having me here. Well, I just want to share a couple of things with you all. Since we all are here on this fitness journey, somewhere all of us are on the same page, and we've started to believe, because of the pandemic or for whatever reasons in our personal lives, that fitness is the best way of living at the end of the day. I mean, we can enjoy our life fully if we are fit and healthy from within. So I'm not going to share a backstory of my personal backstory, wherein why I chose fitness and why I am here. Probably that is for some other day. Today I want to say that once we've decided that we want to get into fitness and get our body healthy, how do we constantly, there's one challenge that I personally felt in the beginning when I started on this journey, was how to motivate ourselves every single day. I mean, we want to get fit, that is right, but what will get us on the ground every single day? So I think sorry okay so I think that is something what worked for me, I want to share here. Since we all studied chartered accountancy, we know that how disciplined and dedicated we all are. That is how we are here. So उस टाइम पे अगर हमको कोई बोलता कि एग्जाम नहीं देना है सीए का, सिर्फ ऐसे ही पढ़ना है, मतलब इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस आज पढ़ लो, तो हम पढ़ेंगे क्या? नॉलेज तो मिल जाएगा, हमें पता है नॉलेज के लिए ही करना है, बट वो हम इतना डेडिकेटेडली नहीं कर पाएंगे और हर दिन नहीं कर पाएंगे, किसी एक दिन चाहे कर लिया. सो वी स्टडीड बिकॉज मई में एग्जाम आने वाला है, पता है, तो हम मार्च में पढ़ेंगे ही पढ़ेंगे. तो इसलिए what worked for me was to set a goal. We need to have some goal in front of us so that we keep working towards it. अब वो गोल ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई एक बड़ा सा गोल होना चाहिए कि मुझे मैराथन दौड़ना है, हाफ मैराथन दौड़ना है, या मुझे 100 किलोमीटर साइकिलिंग एक दिन में कर लेना है, या मुझे मतलब 10 पुशअप बस आज के दिन में कर ही लेना है. we can keep simple goals कि मतलब, और जैसे एक वीक के बाद, एक वीक में मैं मान लो कि 30 किलोमीटर साइकिलिंग करूंगी, ऐसा गोल. तो हर दिन मुझे 5-5 किलोमीटर करना है. अगर एक दिन मैंने 5 नहीं किया, दूसरे दिन 10 करूंगी. बट हैव सम गोल, हैव योर आईज सेट ऑन सम गोल so that you keep working towards it, and every single day you have that motivation. The other thing that worked for me was, मैंने कभी भी सुबह उठ के पढ़ाई नहीं किया है. मुझे नहीं पता था कि ये लोग सुबह उठ के कैसे दौड़ लेते हैं. मतलब आई वाज नेवर एन अर्ली राइजर. सुबह उठ के दौड़ने से अच्छा है मैं आधे घंटे का और ज्यादा नैप ले लूं. तो इनिशियली आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग आउट इन द इवनिंग बिकॉज आई कुड नेवर गेट अप इन द मॉर्निंग. एंड स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली, मतलब ऐसे संडे को कभी सुबह कर लिया, देन आई रियलाइज कि दैट मॉर्निंग 1 hour और half an hour ऑफ अ वर्कआउट सेट द टोन फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ द डे. जो भी एंजाइटी होती है प्रोफेशनली, ऑफिस में अगर कुछ हो गया, घर में कुछ हो गया, तो वट एवर नेगेटिविटी वी आर कैरिंग इन आवर ओन हेड, we have a place, मतलब वो आधा घंटा we can spend with ourselves and get all the positive vibes from within. So that has really worked well. I would say 2 things: set some goal, and if finding it very difficult to show up on your workout every day, have a working partner. I mean workout partner. Having that responsibility कि मैंने किसी को बोला है कि मैं 6 बजे इस जगह पे आ जाऊंगी, that will automatically help you get up every single day and show up. So that has helped me. So I wanted to share what can motivate you. So I think that is my 2 bits. And if you guys are interested in knowing anything further, want to know more about it, you can anywhere, anytime reach out to me. Thank you, Chairman.
Chairman, you are not audible.
Yeah, am I audible now?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. So let me tell you a story of the next CA who's going to come now. Before 5 years, he was not able to run even 200 meters, and now he has become the first chartered accountant to do the triathlon event. Basically, it's one of the toughest one-day endurance event, which involves 3.8 kilometers of swim in the open sea, 180 kilometers of cycling, followed by 42 kilometers run, all done back to back without stopping within 15 to 17 hours. So we are very happy to have with us CA Sohail Parikh. He is now a group financial controller in a multi-business conglomerate and having 16 plus years experience in top leadership roles. And he firmly believes that fitness contributes greatly towards both personal as well as professional growth. He's also one of our star team leaders. So Sohail bhai, if you can please address all of us. You unmute Sohail bhai.
Sir, you are mute.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you, Harit and Bishan. And thank you for letting me part of this wonderful initiative by the Ahmedabad branch. So let me tell you something about Ironman Triathlon. Just like Harit briefly mentioned, it is considered to be the world's toughest one-day event in which all the participants have to swim 3.8 kilometer in a sea, followed by 180 kilometer of cycling and 42 kilometers of running. So there are cutoff for each and every individual event. So if you are not able to finish a certain distance within the time, you are disqualified. So that is how and this attracts the fittest people on earth. It is not happening in India. I did my first triathlon in Philippines. Then I represented India in Austria as well as Florida. My next race I have scheduled is for Ironman Texas as well as Ironman Kazakhstan, which is on August 15. So hopefully if the situation improves, I'll be able to race there. So just like Harit and Purvi mentioned, you need to know your why. So your why has to be very strong. So just like Harit mentioned, I was not able to even run 2 minutes. So that is how the journey started. But if you're strong, if your why is strong, you are very motivated. You don't need anybody to tell you to wake up and go to do a workout. So in last 4 years that I have been relatively active, I have not missed a single workout. So I have a coach who is in US. In last 4 years, not a single day I have missed my workout, and I don't need anybody to tell me that, okay, why don't you get up and go for a run or go for a bike or go for a swim. So it is up to you. It has to come from within. So you need a spark. So this event is a perfect spark. So once you have this spark, it is up to you to how to take it forward, how to grow on this, and how to make it as a part of your lifestyle. And believe me, this even rubs on your colleagues. It rubs on your family. The entire family becomes more and more conscious. Your dietary habits will change, and this has host of multitude of benefits. So the event that I shared, you think that it will be very tough and how someone can manage that. So let me tell you, if I can do it, any one of you can do it. It is the racing, the one day where the race is, that is very easy. So the race day is very easy. They will, the more difficult part is to get up every day and train, because there is nobody to cheer you, nobody to hold your hand. So that is where the challenge is. So I am part of the 2 WhatsApp group, almost 200 plus participants. So at end of this journey, if I'm able to motivate even one person to start, or even one person to get out of bed and do a workout even for 15 minutes, I think I would have, and we as a collective, we would have served our purpose. So best of luck to everybody, and hopefully we will have much more sessions. Please feel free to reach out to me in case of any doubts, any questions, anything related to nutrition, anything related to training, anything related to workout, anything related to how you balance your work and life. So most welcome. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sohail bhai. I think your 90 kilometers, 100 kilometers cycle run, I think inspires everyone. And believe me, I think we all are so inspired by you and Purvi bhai and all the team leaders. I think you all are doing a phenomenal job. Thank you so much. I
Harit
would
bhai,
now-
just 1 second. I just want to take 2 minutes if it is okay. If you're
Yeah,
not running out of the day.
Yeah.
I just wanted to tell you one, Sohail, as Sohail mentioned, I also could not run. Forget about 2 minutes. I could not run even 30 seconds. Okay. 2015 एंड में पिंकाथॉन हुआ था मिलिंद सोमन का, तो सारी लड़कियां ऐसे जा जाके पार्टिसिपेट कर रही थी, तो हमारा ग्रुप भी चला गया एंड आई रियलाइज कि 3 किलोमीटर, सिर्फ 3 किलोमीटर के लिए भी रजिस्टर्ड एंड आई कुड, मतलब 3 किलोमीटर चलने में भी मुझे ये हो गया कि क्या किया मैंने लास्ट 15 years. आई ओनली इन्वेस्टेड इन करियर, फैमिली, बच्चे, दैट्स ऑल. मतलब आई बॉडी को तो मैंने एकदम जल से ही करने दिए हैं, तो 3 किलोमीटर भी मैं नहीं चल पाई थी एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई रियलाइज्ड कि मतलब बॉस अभी चॉइस नहीं है, यू नो, यू नीड टू गेट फिट इफ यू रियली वांट टू बी हैप्पी फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ. So that is how I started my journey. I think Sohail and I, both of us did our first half marathon together. मतलब अभी पता है, तब नहीं पता था, but I think that's when we started the journey. And yes, I mean, if we can do, anyone can do. मतलब अगर हम 3 मिनट भी नहीं चल पा रहे थे और आज हम इतना दौड़ रहे हैं, तो सभी कर सकते हैं. It's just about showing up there every single day and having that dedication. Consistency is the only thing. Thank you so much. Thank you for allowing me once again.
Yes, thank you, Purvi Ben. I think after inspiring words of yours and even Sohail bhai, I'm sure there'll be few chartered accountants and even non-members who will be inquiring about this, and maybe they'll be, testing their endurance and participating in challenges like Ironman and other challenges.